Hey guys, so I'm back with another video and I have a special guest, Trey. So I apologize, I've been MIA off of YouTube for the last couple of months. I've just been really busy with work and this guy and Bella. So the last time I did an update, I think it was like 6-7 months. So he is 8 months old and a few days, and he has grown so much. He's currently eating an orange, which I think he dropped. Where'd your orange go, buddy? Here it is. So he is very messy boy. But I thought this would be a good way to film him because he likes sitting in this high chair. And we have a little bit of Wheels on the Bus playing in the background. So if you hear that, that's what that is. Right? You love Wheels on the Bus go round and round. Let me give you an update on this boy. So he, like I said, 8 months old. Oh my gosh, he has been growing so fast. Oh gosh, I'm gonna have to change that shirt. We have to go pick up his sister from school in about 50 minutes, so I have time. I'm filming this, like I said, on his high chair because he likes to sit here. So let's start with eating. He is eating. He's been eating since a little bit before 6 months, but now he's able to eat bite-sized foods and pick them up and put them in his mouth. So I've been chopping up little things and like steaming them, like carrots, little pieces of banana. I even gave him little pieces of like this homemade pizza we made last night. He eats good. Like, that's my finger. His sister is so picky compared to him, but he pretty much will eat almost anything. So I'm lucky with that. The problem is he'll put almost anything in his mouth, like if he finds it on the floor, so we have to be really careful because he might choke, because his sister never used to do that. I know. You got orange all over your hands. So, like we have these little guys. He couldn't eat these like a month ago, the little puffs, but now he can pick them up and open them, pick them up and put them in his mouth. So he's getting better at using his fine motor skills. He's drinking out of this sippy cup right here. I bought this on Amazon. I had some for Bella, but I feel like I lost some, and I left one with my parents when I recently went to Florida for spring break. So he loves water. We used to give him out of a teeny little cup, but now we're trying to get him to learn how to use the sippy cup on his own. He can kind of use it, but I still kind of help him to make sure it goes the right way. He's still exclusively breastfeeding. I pump only like 2 days a week because I teach on the weekend at my makeup school. And then my husband will give him bottles, but he's still, for the most part, exclusively breastfed. And I'm going to continue that till he's 12 months or 1 year old. That's the goal. But he has 2 bottom teeth. Can I see your teeth? Can I see your teeth? You see them? He has 2 bottom teeth. So he has bit me a couple times on my nipple, and I'm like, I've been a little bit traumatized by that. It's not a lot, but I'm like, am I going to make it? Am I going to make it to a year? We'll see. But he's a really good eater. I've been trying to give him like a couple meals a day. Like when we have breakfast and dinner and lunch, I try to give him some food. It's mainly like fruits, vegetables, and like I'll do like simple things like just cut up little pieces of chicken. But they say they can eat what you're eating. So last night I gave him a little bit of pizza that Bella and I made. Like I just kind of ripped off little pieces of the soft part of the pizza. So he did fine with that. In terms of sleeping, man, we had a huge regression. So he was sleeping in his crib by himself a couple months ago, but then we had a whole bunch of things happen. Me and him both got sick, and then my mom came and stayed with us, and that displaced him from his room because the crib's in his room and she stays in there when she visits. And then when we were sick, I just like kept him in the bed with me. And then we went to Florida for a week and a half, and then he wasn't in the crib. So we are just off. Even Bella's off because whenever we travel or whatever, she gets clingy. So he is sleeping with me now in the bed. And then Bella ends up coming in the bed too, because she'll start in her bed and then in the middle of the night come. So I don't know what to say about that. Still working on that. This boy is very active. He is crawling super, super fast. He's a fast crawler. Like I'm here in the dining room / kitchen, and then the living room's right there. If I walk to the kitchen, he'll come and crawl after me super fast. I'll hear his little clumping on the wood floor. Yes. And he'll find me. Like, he'll go through the hallways from Bella's bedroom to the bathroom if I go to the bathroom real quick. So I think I have to start putting up baby gates like I did with Bella. And he's also able to stand. You're able to stand. You want this? Stand really well, like by holding on to things. And he's able to like walk while he's holding on to things. So he's been doing that for like a month. So he's even able to like hold him, like he was able to hold himself up without hands standing for a couple of seconds. So I think he's definitely on his way to be an early walker. It's crazy because Bella didn't walk till literally 1 week before she was a year old, and he's already like showing signs of walking. He's starting to say like little things like baba, mama, dada. I know. So little baby barber. So spirited, so smiley. He's starting to dance when it comes to music. He loves his mommy. Can we sing? The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. That's his favorite song. Actually, if he's crying, if I sing that, he'll usually stop. Because like when we put him in the car seat, that's why I used to calm him down. So yeah, he's doing really well. Yes. He's gripping me up. He's so strong though. Like he leaves bruises and little scabs on my arm. Want to get out? For where he likes to like pinch me and grip me up. Way up here. Oh my gosh, we're so messy. So messy. So yeah, we're just trying to get him to walk. It helps to put on baby shoes on him because he'll have more stability with his feet, because his feet still like to kind of curl up on the floor. Look at his little feet. Like the toes kind of curl in a little bit versus being flat. So we try to put shoes on him, or I think that really does help to give stability. He is a chunker. Look at all this leg. Look at these legs. Look at these orange on the legs. Look at all of this mess. I think he's around 21 pounds already at 8 months old. So he's definitely a chunker. His hair is getting fuller. His hair is starting to curl. See, like all this right here. My sister-in-law put a little man bun, like with this top section right here. And it was really cute. He's wearing like 9 months clothing to 12 months, so he's a little bit ahead of his schedule. His feet, I think, are still small, and he's not that tall, but he's definitely a little thickums. So he's doing really well. Bella is thriving too. She loves her little brother. She loves to hug and kiss him, and she's like started trying to pick him up now and carry him around. So I can't wait for him to get a little older so he can actually like run and play with her. He's been celebrating all his first holidays. We had our first Easter. We had our first everything pretty much. So I love that he has this gift that my friend gave him, which is like my first Easter bib, my first Christmas bib, all those first holidays. So the next one he'll wear will be like the Mother's Day, my first Mother's Day bib. And in terms of things that we've been loving, he has Bella's old walker toy, which is like a push thing that has all of the buttons on the front, and you can learn to walk with it. And he loves that. What is that? Okay, just making sure it's not this paper towel. He loves that thing. Like he plays with it in her room all the time. I'll link that below. The sippy cup has been a real good purchase recently. And we've been just buying tons of baby snacks. What do you have in your mouth? Do you have something in your mouth? Okay. Tons of baby snacks like puffs and like little anything that he can kind of like learn to increase his motor skills with. Pretty soon we're gonna have to probably get him a bigger car seat because he's a little tight in his little baby one. But yeah, he's doing super well. So can you say hi? He's been open and closing. Can you open and close? Open and close. Can you do this? Can you do this? Can you wave? Sometimes he waves. We're working on all these little things. You got orange on your face. Yeah, he is such a little happy baby. Such a good boy. He got a little tan when we went to Florida for spring break. He did not like the beach. First time at the beach, he cried every time his foot hit the little water. He didn't like the sand. We'll see how it goes. It took Belle a couple times to like it. And my parents live in Orlando, so we always go to the beach whenever we visit. So, can you stand up? Can you stand up? Can you stand up? Can you? Can you? I'm going to sit you right here. So, that is it for our 8-month update. The sweet boy. Love you. So we will be back hopefully with the next one. I'll be on time. Oh, he got his flu shot too, by the way. He had to get 2 parts because he was still a baby. 2 flu shots. But next month, I think we have next is our 9-month appointment. So we'll have updates with his weight and his development then. So we will talk to you soon. Can you say bye-bye? Trey. Can you wave? Say bye-bye. Look, over here. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Can you wait? Bye-bye. No. Okay. We'll see you guys later. There. There. Love you guys. Bye.